the purpose of hearing, the sense organs are ears. So we will see that how does ear function and how their structure looks like. But before starting, firstly we will see the sight words. Here are the sight words. Number one is ear flap. It is the outer ear which looks like somewhat this. Then is the eardrum. It is the membrane through which the sound waves strike and they produce a vibration. Then are hammer, anvil and stirrup. These are three tiny bones which are present inside the middle ear. Then is cochlea. It is somewhat a coiled structure present in the inner ear. Then is auditory nerve. It is a nerve which sends messages from ear to the brain. Then are semicircular canals. These are semicircular canals, 3 in number, and they are also present in the inner ear. These are the organs for balance. In humans, ears are present in the number 2. Why they are 2? Because these 2 ears can help us locate the actual source of sound, that from where the sound is coming. What are sounds? Sounds are the vibrations in air. What does our ear do, or both ears do? They collect these vibrations and convert them into nerve impulses. Then these nerve impulses are sent to the brain, and brain interprets them into the sound which we hear. Alright, now we will see the divisions in the ear. The ear is divided into, each of the 2 ears is divided into 3 parts. Number 1 is outer part. This part consists of ear flap, or we also call it ear pinna. Then ear canal and eardrum. Then is the next part, which is middle ear. It consists of the 3 tiny bones which are hammer, anvil and stirrup. Then the inner ear consists of cochlea, which is coiled tubes, and the auditory nerve. Now we will see the structure of ear, and we will see that how does that structure help in transferring vibrations to the brain. Starting from the outer ear, which is also known as ear flap. It collects the sound waves which are dispersed into the environment, and it collects them all onto a single point, and from here is the ear canal. This ear canal allows these vibrations to pass one by one into the ear. Then here is the eardrum. At this eardrum, these vibrations strike and they also allow the eardrum to vibrate. After the eardrum, there are the 3 tiny bones. Number 1 is the hammer, which is somewhat like this. Then this hammer transfers the vibrations to the anvil, and anvil transfers these vibrations to the stirrup, which is the tiniest bone in our body. This is anvil and this one is stirrup. From the stirrup, this blue portion is the middle ear. From here, the vibrations are transferred to cochlea. Cochlea are coiled tubules in which there are nerve cells present. In cochlea, nerve cells are present which sense the vibrations, and they transform these vibrations into nerve impulse. and this nerve impulse is carried to the brain through auditory nerve. Beside this, in the ear, there are 3 semicircular canals which are at right angle to each other. Semicircular canals which are at right angle to each other. Semicircular canals are the organs for balance. How do they balance? There is a fluid inside them. These are tube-like structures. There is a fluid in them and there are some hair cells inside them. This fluid sends the signal to brain that whether the body is in an erect position or not. When the body is not in an upright position, then the brain sends the muscles to keep it upright and the muscles become more stronger. So this is all about human ear, that this is the organ of hearing plus the organ of balance.